Hello, this is Will Middleton from LifterLMS. Welcome to the final section of the quiz system course. In this video, I'm going to go over the reporting in the LifterLMS quiz system. So in order to demonstrate the reporting, I'm going to change the passing percentage on this quiz from 0 to 100, and I'll save those changes. This way, I also gave some of these question types here some point values so they can be graded there. This is actually the course you're taking currently, so I'll change this back to 0 so that when you take the quiz that's actually on this lesson, it'll be worth 0 points, so it'll be automatically, or 0% pass rate, so it doesn't matter how you answer the questions, you'll get 100% there. So yeah, those changes should be saved and good to go. So what I'll do is open up this lesson in a new tab here and go ahead and take the quiz to show you what it's like to take a full quiz inside of LifterLMS. So we can see here, I'll head to take quiz, and I will do start quiz. And then I can see which question type is this. This is multiple choice. Next question, which picture depicts a star? Next question. We can see this is a true-false question type. True. Oh, there's a typo there. I'll fix that up here and fill in the blank. Put these items in alphabetical order. I'm going to look for A, B, L, R. And put these items in alphabetical order. D, G, H, S. And here's a question type. I can type whatever I'd like. This is the short answer question type. Let's say, hello, how are you today? That's what we'll type there. And then head to the long answer question type. I believe I copied some lorem ipsum to my clipboard here. So we'll submit that there. And then the code question type, we can add in some code. I'll head to W3 Schools here and copy some code and paste that in here. Head to the next question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how great is LifterLMS? We'll do 10 and complete the quiz. So as a student here, you can see it'll say that my quiz is pending grading. Let's see what comes up here. Yep, so it lets me know my quiz has been submitted and it shows me pending. So these are the questions that I did get right. The green ones here, the gray is a question type that is not graded with 0 points. And then the orange with a clock on there indicates that somebody's going to have to come in and grade this, which would be an admin or an instructor. So let's jump into the back end now and show you how you can access the LifterLMS reporting. I do have this open in a new tab here, so I'll jump right over. In order to access the reporting, you'll want to head to the admin sidebar. Under LifterLMS, there's the reporting option, and that'll send us right here. Now in the LifterLMS reporting, you can see all kinds of details, but what we're concerned about is the quizzes. Let's see here. This loads up, there we go. And the congratulations quiz is the one I just took. And I can see the attempts today and some other metrics on the quiz itself here, but we're going to want to go to attempts. This is where we can see each attempt at the quiz. And we can see Will Middleton just did a quiz. That was the one I just submitted a couple minutes ago. And it says pending review right there. And so what I'm going to want to do is click on the ID in order to open up the quiz I just took. And here we can see what this looks like so far. And as the admin or instructor, I can see what they typed here. And in order to grade this quiz, I'm going to want to start a review. So let's click that. And I can leave remarks on each question if I'd like, but the most important questions are the ones that are graded. They have this thing down here, the grade option, and what I can do is give them 0, 1, or in the case of these question types, I said the question type was worth 2 points. And how you can edit this is right here in the builder. I can choose how many points this question is worth, and that's what's being reflected right here. So I can say this will be a 2 out of 2. And I can leave some remarks, great job, and then we'll just copy that. And then for this question, I can read what they did here. I give them some feedback and then give them points. This does require 100% to pass, so I'm just going to give myself 100% here. And then I believe I got myself a 1 out of 1 there. And you don't have to leave remarks here. I'll leave this one blank, for example, and then I can save the review. And let's see how that changes the data up here. So we can see I got 11 out of 11 points, so I passed. The required grade was 100%, and I did get that. So let's see what this looks like for the student. So I'll head to the student dashboard here, and I can see in this area my grades. If I head in there, we can see that my quiz was graded, and I can see the feedback I got on that quiz. So we can see this is the LifterLMS quizzes course, and I have 100% there. I'll click into the quiz course as the student here, and I can see all sorts of metrics. But the one I'm looking for, this is the syllabus outline, and this is the quiz I would like to look at, and I can click review. And this is where I can see any feedback that the instructor gave me. For example, right here, I can see great job. And I can also check out the attempt. So if I were to go all the way into the lesson again and look at the attempts, I could also get to this same page here. But yeah, that's about it for the LifterLMS reporting and grading system. And yeah, I guess this is the last video lesson in the course. I believe there's a coupon we put up in the lesson you saw there as well. So feel free to use that for a discount if you do end up purchasing advanced quizzes or any other products from LifterLMS. Thanks for joining me in this course, and have fun building courses with Lifter.